Okay, here we're simplifying with polynomial expressions. So in this first example, I have a binomial multiplying a trinomial. I know it's multiplication because I do not have any sign between the parentheses. So we can write this out as 2x times 2x squared and just show that I'm distributing with lines like this and then distributing -7 to each term using lines like this. Or another way to write this, I like to write it out. So I have 2x times 2x squared minus 2x plus 5, and then -7 times 2x squared minus 2x plus 5. Okay, this is just another way to write it out. I'm essentially doing the same thing. I'm distributing 2x into this expression and then the -7 into that same expression. So when I multiply, this will come out to be 2 times 2 is 4, and then the exponents we add when we multiply. So this will be x to the third. Minus 2 times 2 again, 4, and then x times x is x squared. And 2x times 5 will give us plus 10x. So that's 2x into this expression. Now distributing -7 into here, we would have -14x squared. -7 times -2 becomes a positive 14x. And -7 times 5 is a -35. Combining my like terms, this is the only x to the third, so I'm just going to write that down first. X squared, I have -4x squared and -14x squared. And then I have 10x and 14x, and that's the only number without a variable. So I'll do x squared next. -4 and 14 would give us a positive 10x squared. 10 and 14 is 24x. And then we'll have -35 at the end. So I wrote my answer in standard form here. I have the highest exponent, and it's in decreasing order for the exponents for x. Okay, the next one, combining like terms again. So I know that this is subtraction, and we're not multiplying really anything because I have a minus sign between the parentheses. So a minus sign between the parentheses means we're not multiplying, but there is this kind of invisible -1 in front of the parentheses that I'm going to distribute into just the right side. After I distribute, I'm going to rewrite everything without parentheses. So this x to the third, I'm just going to bring it down. It's 4x squared minus x plus 2. This will become -x to the third. Negative times a negative is positive 2x. Negative times a positive is -2x squared. Negative times negative is positive 2. And then just combining the like terms. So when you combine your like terms, you're looking for the same variables with the same exponent. So if this was x to the third y, then I cannot combine this with this x to the third because it's just x to the third. But in this example, they're both the same and they would be like terms. So I have x to the third, -x to the third. I have 4x squared, -2x squared. I have 2x and -x. And then I have +2 and I have a +2. So I'll do x to the third first. 1x to the third minus 1x to the third, that will just cancel. X squared, I have 4x squared and -2, so that'll become a 2x squared. -x plus 2x, so it's like 2 minus 1 to get plus 1x, or just x. And then 2 plus 2 would give me 4. And that would be the final answer.